Hey there, our lesson today is on the three sounds of suffix ed. As you know, a suffix is added to a base word to change its meaning. So if you look at this sentence, I rented a boat, jumped in and sailed, the base words are in gold and suffix ed is in red. If you look at the word rented, the action rent, which is present tense happening now, was changed by adding suffix ed to make it happen in the past. So suffix ed changes a present tense verb to past tense. If you look at these three words, you're going to notice that they're a good way to remember that ed can make three different sounds. So if we look down here, rented, the suffix ed in rented says id. Sometimes it can also say ed. The suffix ed in jumped says t. And finally, in sailed, d. Use this to help you answer the questions.